to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So I'm just from making this beautiful wig. It was a U-part wig, but then I converted it into this beautiful wig. So I've not even left out my hair. I've not used any closure, but as you can see, it looks so like I've used closure and it looks so natural. So for the past 2 months, August, September, like closures have been very expensive. Closures and frontal, they've been very expensive, and that's why like for the past 2 months, like most of the companies are selling extensions, clip-ins, or U-part wigs or headband wigs. So I'm just from converting this into this beautiful wig. This hair is from Royal Me. I'll share with you a video very soon on this, on how to convert your U-part wig into this beautiful wig. So I was selling this wig somewhere and then I just wanted to try it on, guys, because I really love it. I just wanted to try it for you so that you can see how beautiful this wig is. And then I also have this one that goes to the same person. So the tutorial I shared with you on how to make this wig, if you haven't watched it, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. It's a no closure wig, no frontal, no closure wig, and let me just try this on. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs or any of these 2 wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, yeah, so let me just try it on, guys, and comment below if you love them or your opinion on them. So I'm going to wear this cap before I try it on, though I don't like wearing my braided wigs with a cap. So if you wear your braided wigs and you want to use combs, then you can just push the cap behind a little, or you don't even have to wear the cap.
Down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth.
So guys, what do you think about this wig? Do you love it? Oh my god, I really love this. Guys, if you don't want to use the combs, you can as well just sew this wig on your natural hair. Like the same way you can sew the weaves on your natural hair is the same way you can sew this wig on your natural hair. But then when you're taking them out, or when you're taking them out, just be careful when you cut the thread, because you don't want to cut the wig. Yes, but it's very comfortable. So another thing that you're supposed to know when you wear these wigs, especially the 360 ones like this one, with this one is okay, but with this one, make sure the cornrows are very neat, because you don't want to see this hair at the back or on the sides. Yeah, so just make sure your cornrows are neat. This wig is good for those people who don't love baby hair, they don't love lace, or they just don't love complicated wigs. Like, this wig will work for you. And then another thing, if you don't have like hairline, if you don't have edges, you can go for this wig. Like, who doesn't love this? So guys, just comment below your opinion on this, if you love it or if you don't like it. Just comment below. So guys, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out.
So there's this other wig, I'm going to try it on as well. So the tutorial I shared with you on how to make these, make sure you check the description box down below on how to make this wig as well. That is if you want to know how to make it. But then if you can't make it, then I'll leave my details in the comment section down below. You can contact me and I will make it for you. So let me try this one as well, guys, and just comment below if you love them or if you don't like them. Okay.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
So that was it for today, guys. Just comment below your favorite style, this one or this one. And in case you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. And just in case you want to know how to make this one, I'll leave a link in the description box down below as well. So that was it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.